Hello and welcome. On today's Crypto Minute, let's dabble into the world of crypto jargon. Have you ever seen where someone typed HODL and wondered if they meant hold? Well, yes and no. Actually, it means hold on for dear life. Now, let's break down a few more of these acronyms. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. It is that anxious feeling that we get when we see others banking on profits while we are left holding the bag. Then there's DeFi, which is short for decentralized finance. DeFi users seek to use blockchain technology in place of banks and other financial institutions. What about NFTs? Non-fungible tokens are one-of-a-kind digital assets. Think of them like art, which cannot be produced in physical form. What do you think about all these acronyms? Let us know in the comments and give us a thumbs up. Please share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.